biddies. Well, I know. That's what they are, right? Technically. I mean, I could have called them moobies, like man boobs. Chimkin boobies, yeah. Should be 11 to 10. See, this time of year. Is it still warm over there, Gray? Is it still warm? Studio, thank you so much for those biddies. Thank you so much. What camera setup do you use when you stream? So, let me rinse my hands real quick, and I will answer that question momentarily. All right, so for the setup, moobs and dad bod for the win, yeah. Studio, thank you so much for those biddies. Thank you very much. Thank you. Not you dropping, motherfucker. And my professor here. Whoops. Listen, tell Professor he'll get over it. He's probably heard 10, he or she, they have probably heard 10 times worse. I mean, I put chicken boobs on my grocery list. I think that's how ours shows up. Just dropping by to say hi, drop some biddies on your ass, and now back to the kitchen. Fair enough, Studio. Studio, before you go, what are you making? Can you tell us? Can you give us a little sneaky peeky as to what you're making? So let me scroll back up here. So what I'm using, this camera here, this one down here, that's actually my Fire tablet that I'm using. There's an app that you can download and that will sync to OBS. So that's that one. Chicken mandolins. Medallions with gravy and cheesy layered potato bake. Fuck. Cheesy layered potato. You better post pictures. And I want would you be so kind, sir, as to share the potato recipe? Would you do that? Share the recipe for all of it, because I want to make some. Will do? Okay, awesome. Mandolins, yeah. That sounds spicy, yeah. Oops. So this is my tablet. The camera here, and the one you see my beautiful face on, those are Logitech somethings. Logitech 920s or some shit. That's what those are. So we're gonna turn this way. I'm hoping I can change that because I'm gonna cook the chicken in here. And then for the microphone, ooh, that was loud. For the microphone, I use the Elgato Wave 3 for the microphone. And then I have 3 monitors here. So I have 2 that are like portrait, 1 landscape in the middle. The PC tower is fucking huge. So, but yeah, but the goal is that my PC is acting like a turd. And it's like 4 years old. And it's gonna need replaced because it keeps shutting off on me every once in a blue moon. It's done it quite a few times while we're streaming. Nico, thank you so much for that follow. Welcome to the diner. I'm Darth or Kyle, whichever you prefer. We're so glad to have you. So glad you found us. Most certainly glad we found you. I hope you're doing well. But yeah, we definitely, that's part of the reason this is up here. I know that it's a big goal. Whenever I don't ever ask for help. This is one of those things that I'm asking help for, because I need to replace the PC, the camera, a couple of the monitors and stuff.